Honda GX690 engine. Have trouble starting and runs rough and smokes real heavy smoke. Smells like oil mixed in gas. Runs for a little while then starts pouring out heavy smoke and running rough, it will eventually quit. Every time you put it under load it starts smoking and acting up.
First thing, check the oil level and see if it is thin from gas contamination. If thin or over full, it will suck the oil mix into the cylinders and show up as exhaust smoke.
The oil seems to be thinner and more of it. It smokes so bad it looks like the place is on fire at times, then it settles down and runs until I put it under load, then it smokes like crazy and runs rough until I release the load, then it settles down. Then it eventually just quits running.
Do an oil change, and if the engine has a fuel shutoff, use it between uses. The needle valve in the carburetor only can leak when engine is off. It leaks in full, runs out the carburetor into the vent line, which oges direct to the crankcase. Or rebuild carburetor or replace it. Engine is dying because the spark plugs foul with oil from the crankcase getting into the cylinders. With new oil and new plugs are good idea, the oil will stay in the crankcase and the exhaust will clean up. Did you get my response?
I took the carb out and cleaned it after I changed the oil and filter. It is running better now. Honda engines sure aren't what they used to be.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.